If your second-gen Honda CRV is refusing to start, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, nearly half of all starting issues on this platform come down to a simple weak battery or corroded terminals. Before you start buying expensive parts, let's go through the diagnostic sequence. Follow these 4 steps first to rule out the simple electrical gremlins that often plague these Hondas. The starter motor and the ignition switch are the 2 heavy hitters for mechanical failures on this specific year. Watch your dashboard for a flashing green key icon, which indicates an immobilizer lockout. Most electrical fixes are DIY friendly, but if your starter is buried under the intake, you might want to shop. Repairs can range from a $60 relay to nearly $500 for a professional starter replacement. If you suspect the starter, a gentle tap with a tool while someone turns the key can often get you home. Keep these 3 tools in your trunk to handle 90% of the common issues on this vehicle. Always remember that a simple loose ground wire can look exactly like a total engine failure. Check those battery terminals first and good luck getting your CRV back on the road today.